On this Millennial review, we're taking a look at the Keter Pro Series Technician Case. This is model number 17198036, and we're gonna pop it out of the package and I'll show you just what it is. So this is something I picked up a little while ago and I'm pretty psyched about. Basically what this is a professional level case for a technician. And so what you're looking for in that is something that's gonna latch together, is potentially lockable if you need to, but when it opens up, it's gonna give you all of the space for basically anything you're gonna need. So as you can see here, this is a resin construction, pretty nice looking case, and the red interior is gonna help brighten things up and make it easier to see. You're gonna have all sorts of different compartments, and in fact, these are both removable and adjustable in position. So each of these pieces will come straight out, and in fact, you can take the whole thing out if you want to. Just about every piece is removable, which also means that it ends up being reconfigurable. So the other neat thing about this is, if we look across the top here, you'll notice that it's got these little spots and hooks. So what happens there is inside of these, you can actually put different tools. So like screwdrivers, you can have pliers, things like this. And a technician case like this is going to be mostly used for, say, an electrician or somebody who's going job to job with some small parts. All those adjustable areas in the bottom mean you get to bring other parts with you. And one of my favorite parts about this technician box is that you're going to get a small parts tray. So this tray has area to put the small parts into. It closes up so you can both remove this, get to everything else that's on the inside, but then you also can slide this right there and you'll notice a cutout, and that allows everything to hold together. Now, like I said, this is resin construction, so this is going to be super tough. It's also sealed up, so while not 100% waterproof, it's definitely going to be water resistant. It's got eyelets, so you could put a strap and carry it around your shoulder. Of course, you've got a handle to be able to carry it like normal, and that locking spot, like we said before. Now, the dimensions of it mean that it's going to be 18.9 inches long. It's going to be 14.96, so basically 15 inches wide. And then the thickness of this is just under 7 inches at 6.89. So that makes for a pretty nice setup, very good looking box here. I mean, I just love the construction, and overall pretty nice. So hopefully you enjoyed the look at the Keter Professional series of their Technician Toolbox. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. If you want one of these, I've got a link down in the description, and definitely let me know what you think. Thanks so much.